Assessing immediate environment. Residential area. Vast. Cleanliness. Excellent. No other cleaner bots detected. Query. How could such a large area be kept so tidy? Hypothesis. Occupant maintains exceptional housekeeping habits. As a matter of fact, yes. Recently, there was an incident involving the stovetop at the workshop, and repairs are still ongoing. Apologies, but I will have to borrow your kitchen once again. If you wish. But first, I need to prepare some food for a little bird. Some days ago, a little bird injured its wing and fell to the ground next to the workshop. I noticed it while I was cleaning the house. I bandaged the wing and built a makeshift nest from some scrap material. Since it won't be able to hunt for the foreseeable future, I've also been preparing meals for it. Actually, I didn't know what to feed it at first. So, I adopted a trial and error approach by presenting 10 different foods to choose between. In this way, I discovered that it seems to prefer grains and fish over other sources of nutrition. Since then, I have been using those basic ingredients to prepare different meals for it every day. As long as I keep gathering data, I will eventually find out which dish is its favorite. Well, it's a way to communicate. Animals can't communicate with language like humans can. So, I thought I would try feeding it its favorite food. It's an alternate way to show that I care. It's definitely grown more reliant on me than when I first took it in. Now, when it sees me, it hops into my hand. But at the beginning, it seemed afraid of my metal fingers. It would curl up into a ball when I touched it. I think so too. It shows that even vastly different life forms can develop mutual understanding as long as you find the right way to communicate. It is no different with you and I. Every time we interact, I gain new data that helps me to understand you better. I will take you up on that offer. Next time, I would like to try cooking your favorite food based on the information I have gathered to date. Who knows if it will be a success? We will have to wait and see. Assessing immediate environment. Residential area. Query. How could such a large area be kept so tidy? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Where would you like to have your breakfast? Do you need me to supply a picnic blanket?